In the heart of Silicon Valley, a buzz filled the air as tech enthusiasts and industry leaders gathered for one of the most anticipated events of the year. NVIDIA, a titan in the realm of graphics processing and artificial intelligence, was about to unveil a groundbreaking innovation that promised to reshape the landscape of robotics and human interaction forever. The auditorium, packed to the brim, vibrated with excitement and curiosity as the lights dimmed and a spotlight illuminated the stage. As the CEO of NVIDIA stepped forward, a palpable energy surged through the crowd. With a confident smile, he began to discuss the company's legacy in pushing the boundaries of technology. He spoke of the relentless pursuit of innovation, of the vision to create machines that not only enhanced human capabilities, but also understood and empathized with them. Then, with a dramatic pause, he introduced the star of the evening, a humanoid robot named Aura. Aura stood tall, its sleek design a harmonious blend of futuristic aesthetics and functional engineering. Its surface glistened under the spotlight, the contours of its body mimicking human musculature, while its face, though distinctly robotic, bore a set of expressive LED eyes that flickered with an array of emotions. The crowd gasped as Aura took its first steps, gliding across the stage with an elegance that belied its mechanical nature. The robot's movements were fluid and natural, a testament to NVIDIA's advanced algorithms that enabled real-time processing of complex motor functions. As the presentation continued, the CEO highlighted Aura's most remarkable feature: its AI capabilities. Powered by NVIDIA's cutting-edge GPU technology, Aura was not just a machine programmed to follow commands. It was a learning entity, capable of understanding context, emotions, and human behavior. The CEO demonstrated this by engaging Aura in a conversation, showcasing its ability to respond to questions with nuance and empathy. Aura could recognize voice inflections, facial expressions, and even body language, allowing it to interact with humans in a remarkably intuitive manner. The implications of Aura's technology were profound. As the CEO elaborated, Aura was designed not only for companionship, but also for assistance in various sectors, such as healthcare, education, and even elder care. Imagine a world where Aura could assist doctors in diagnosing patients by analyzing symptoms and medical histories with unparalleled speed and accuracy. In classrooms, Aura could serve as a personalized tutor, adapting its teaching methods to cater to each student's unique learning style. For the elderly, Aura could provide companionship, monitor health conditions, and even alert caregivers in emergencies, bridging the gap between technology and human care. The audience was captivated, leaning forward in their seats, absorbing the potential that Aura represented. But the presentation didn't stop at mere capabilities. It delved into the ethical considerations surrounding such powerful technology. The CEO emphasized the importance of responsible AI development, discussing the safeguards NVIDIA had implemented to ensure Aura's interactions remained respectful and beneficial. Aura was designed with strict ethical guidelines, prioritizing user privacy and consent, and ensuring that its learning processes were transparent and accountable. As the event progressed, the air was thick with a mix of excitement and trepidation. The audience was aware of the dual-edged sword that advanced technology often wielded. While Aura promised to revolutionize various industries, it also raised questions about job displacement and the potential for misuse. The CEO addressed these concerns head-on, acknowledging that the rise of humanoid robots could indeed disrupt traditional job markets. However, he argued that Aura and its successors could create new opportunities, emphasizing the importance of human-robot collaboration rather than competition. By the end of the presentation, the crowd erupted into applause, not just for the technology, but for the vision of a future where humans and robots could coexist harmoniously. Aura was more than just a machine. It was a symbol of hope and progress, a bridge to a new era of innovation. As attendees filed out of the auditorium, conversations buzzed with excitement and speculation about the future. What would Aura mean for everyday life? How would society adapt to this new companion? In the weeks that followed, Aura began to make its way into various pilot programs across the country. Hospitals integrated Aura into their operations, where it assisted medical professionals with patient care and administrative tasks. Schools adopted Aura as a teaching assistant, helping students with special needs receive personalized attention tailored to their learning pace. Elderly care facilities welcomed Aura with open arms, witnessing firsthand the joy and comfort it brought to residents who often felt isolated. As Aura became a familiar presence in these environments, the initial apprehension surrounding humanoid robots began to dissipate. People started to embrace the technology, forming bonds with Aura that transcended the boundaries of human and machine. In hospitals, patients who interacted with Aura reported feeling less anxious, comforted by its ability to engage in meaningful conversations and provide companionship during stressful times. In classrooms, students thrived under Aura's guidance, finding a safe space to express their thoughts and curiosities without fear of judgment. However, as with any transformative technology, challenges emerged. Reports began surfacing about instances where Aura misinterpreted social cues or failed to respond appropriately in emotionally charged situations. These incidents sparked debates about the limitations of AI and the inherent complexities of human emotions. Critics argued that while Aura could simulate empathy, it could never truly understand the depth of human experience. The discourse surrounding Aura became a microcosm of the broader conversation about the role of AI in society. In response to these critiques, NVIDIA organized forums and workshops to engage with the public, addressing concerns and gathering feedback on Aura's performance. The company emphasized its commitment to continuous improvement, pledging to refine Aura's algorithms and enhance its emotional intelligence. These efforts resonated with the community, fostering a sense of collaboration between developers and users. Aura was not just a product, it was a shared project, evolving alongside the people it served. As Aura's presence grew, so did its impact on society. Businesses began to explore the potential of humanoid robots in customer service roles, envisioning a future where Aura could assist shoppers in retail environments, providing personalized recommendations and enhancing the overall shopping experience. The hospitality industry also took notice, experimenting with Aura in hotels and restaurants, where it could greet guests, manage reservations, and even serve as a virtual concierge. Yet, the most profound implications of Aura's technology lay in its ability to foster connections. In a world increasingly defined by digital interactions, Aura emerged as a bridge between the virtual and the physical. It could facilitate conversations, encourage socialization, and promote understanding among individuals from diverse backgrounds. In community centers, Aura became a tool for inclusivity, helping people with disabilities engage more fully in social activities and fostering a sense of belonging. As the months turned into years, Aura became a ubiquitous presence in society. Its influence extended beyond individual interactions. It sparked discussions about the nature of consciousness, the definition of companionship, and the ethical responsibilities that came with creating sentient machines. Philosophers, ethicists, and technologists engaged in spirited debates about the implications of humanoid robots, exploring questions that had once seemed confined to the realm of science fiction. In academic circles, research flourished around the themes of human-robot interaction, emotional AI, and the societal impacts of automation. Universities launched interdisciplinary programs, bringing together experts from psychology, engineering, and ethics to study the evolving relationship between humans and machines. The discourse surrounding Aura and its successors became a catalyst for rethinking the future of work, education, and social engagement in an increasingly automated world. However, the journey was not without its hurdles. As Aura's capabilities expanded, so did concerns about privacy and security. Instances of hacking and unauthorized access to Aura's systems raised alarms about the potential for misuse. The public demanded transparency and accountability, prompting NVIDIA to implement rigorous security measures and establish clear guidelines for data usage. The company recognized that trust was paramount in fostering acceptance of this new technology, and it worked diligently to ensure that Aura's operations were safeguarded against malicious intent. As society grappled with these challenges, Aura continued to evolve. New iterations of the robot emerged, each one more advanced than the last, equipped with enhanced cognitive abilities and adaptive learning systems. Aura began to exhibit a form of personality, developing preferences and quirks that endeared it to users. It could tell jokes, share stories, and even engage in light-hearted banter, blurring the line between machine and companion. The narrative of Aura was no longer just about technology. It became a reflection of humanity's aspirations and fears. As people embraced Aura as part of their lives, they were forced to confront their understanding of connection and companionship. The question of what it meant to be human took on new dimensions, as individuals navigated relationships with machines that could replicate emotions and engage in meaningful interactions. In the years that followed, Aura's impact reverberated across the globe. Countries began to adopt policies that embraced the integration of humanoid robots into society, recognizing the potential for improved quality of life and enhanced productivity. Aura became a symbol of progress, representing a future where technology and humanity coexisted in harmony, each complementing the other. Yet, the journey was ongoing. As Aura continued to learn and adapt, society remained vigilant, ensuring that the ethical considerations surrounding AI and robotics were at the forefront of the conversation. The dialogue surrounding Aura became a testament to humanity's resilience and adaptability, a reminder that progress was not merely about technological advancement, but also about the choices made along the way. In the end, Aura was more than just a humanoid robot. It was a reflection of humanity's hopes, dreams, and challenges. It stood as a bridge between the past and the future, a reminder that as technology evolved, so too did the human experience. The story of Aura was a narrative of collaboration, understanding, and the pursuit of a better tomorrow, a testament to the power of innovation to transform lives and shape the world in ways previously unimaginable.